Good morning, students. In previous class, I had solved some examples of chapter 3, playing with numbers. We have learnt how a number is divisible by 2, 3 and 4. And in example 3, question is, using divisibility tests, determine which of the following is divisible by 6. We have learnt that a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. यदि कोई संख्या 2 और 3 से विभाज्य हो तो पूरी संख्या 6 से विभाज्य होती है। ये विभाज्यता का नियम है। 6 से विभाज्यता का नियम है कि कोई संख्या 6 से विभाज्य होती है यदि वह संख्या 2 और 3 दोनों से विभाज्य हो। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एग्जाम्पल 3, द गिवन नंबर इज 297144। फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन, 29 गिवन नंबर is equal to 297144. The given number is, we have to show that the given number is divisible by 6. So first of all, here we see that digit at ones place is 4, which is divisible by 2. The digit in the unit place, ones place, is equal to 4, which is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at ones place is 2 या multiple of 2 या 0. The digit in the ones place is equal to 4, which is divisible by 2, and the sum of the digits, again sum of digits is equal to 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 9 2 11 7 18 19 4 23 4 27. Sum of digits is equal to 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 27, which is divisible by 3. Which is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 6. Because the given number is both divisible by 2 and 3, दी हुई संख्या 2 से भी विभाज्य होती है, और क्योंकि इसके इकाई का अंक 4 है और इसके अंकों का योगफल 3 से विभाज्य होता है। अंकों का योगफल 27 है जो कि 3 से विभाज्य है, इसीलिए which is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 6. So the given number is divisible by 6. So if you are given to determine how the given number is divisible by 6, first of all we have to show that it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Here we see that the digit at ones place is 4, so it is divisible by 2, and the sum of digits is also divisible by 3. Here we see that the given number is both divided by 2 and 3, so the given number is divisible by 6. Now in example 4, in example 4 we have to determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. In example 4, using divisibility test, is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. And in 4, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. Example 4, given number is equal to, in question number 4, example 4 का 4 नंबर, example 4 का 4 number question, we have to determine the given number is divisible by 11. We have learned in previous class a number is divisible by 11 if the sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places and difference of these two sums is equal to 0 या divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. So given number is equal to 70169 308, and we have to show that it is divisible by 11 or not. So first of all, we find the sum of digits at odd places. Sum of digits at odd places is equal to sum of digits at odd places. Sum of digits at odd places. At odd places is equal to 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0 is equal to 70. Sum of digits at odd places is equal to odd places 0 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 70, and the sum of digits at even places. Sum of digits at even places. At even places is equal to 0 plus 9, 0 plus 9, 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to 70. Sum of digits at even places is equal to 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7 बराबर 17. Now we find the difference of these two sums. Difference बराबर difference is equal to 17 minus 17 is equal to 0. So according to this rule, if the difference of the sum of digits at even places and the sum of digits at odd places is 0, either multiples of 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. कोई संख्या 11 से विभाज्य होती है यदि उसके विषम संख्याओं के योग और सम संख्याओं के योग का अंतर या तो 0 हो अथवा आइदर मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 11, या तो 11 का मल्टीपल हो, गुणज हो, जैसे 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77. So then whole number is divisible by 11. Here we see that sum of digits at odd places is 17 and sum of digits at even places is 17, and the difference of these sum is equal to 0. So 701 69308 is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. Proved. We have determined the given number is divisible by 11. So if the difference of the sum of digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places is either 0 or multiples of 11, then whole number is divisible by 11. So here we have proved that the given number is divisible by 11, and in this, according to this rule, you can test that given number is either divisible by 11 या not. So all questions of 4 can be solved by this method. In example 5, only one question of each example is going to solve, and rest questions is for you. In example 5, write the smallest digit and the largest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that number is divisible by 3. Here we are not given a complete number which is divisible by 3. A smallest digit. Here sum of the given digits is first number of example 5. Example 5. We have to write the smallest digit and the largest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number is divisible by 3. ये दिए हुए खाली स्थान में हमें सबसे छोटी सी छोटी और बड़ी सी बड़ी संख्या रखनी है जिससे कि संख्या 3 से विभाज्य हो. तो स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट फर्स्ट नंबर एग्जाम्पल 5. Blank space and the number is 6724. 6724. Here we have learnt in previous class a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. So first of all we find the sum of all given digits. Sum of all digits. Sum of all digits is equal to 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7 6 13 2 15 4 19. The sum of the all digits, sum of all given digits is equal to 90. Since if we add 3 in 19, we get, if we add 2 in 19, we get 21, which is divisible by 3, so the whole number is divisible by 3. If we put the smallest digit digit 2 in the blank place, in the blank place we have 2 plus 19 is equal to 2 plus 19 is equal to 21, which is divisible by 3, which is divisible by 3. Here sum of all digits is equal to 19. If we put the smallest digit 2 in the blank place, we have 2 plus 19 is equal to 21, which is divisible by 3. So the smallest number is equal to 2. Also in 19, if we add 8, highest greatest number, because we have to find the smallest digit and the largest digit. For this, if we add 8 in 19, we have 27, which is divisible by 3. So the whole number is divisible by 3. Again if we add 8 to 19, we have 19 plus 8 is equal to 27, which is divisible by 3, अगर यदि हम उस योगफल में, ये जो 9 अंकों का योगफल हमें 19 प्राप्त होता है, यदि इस 19 में यदि हम 2 जोड़ते हैं तो 21 प्राप्त होता है। सबसे छोटी संख्या 2 जोड़ने पर 21 प्राप्त होता है, और 21 3 से विभाज्य है, इसीलिए स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट हो गया 2। और यदि हम 19 में 8 जोड़ देते हैं तो बड़ी संख्या जोड़ते हैं 8, तो हमें योगफल 27 प्राप्त होता है, जो कि 3 से विभाज्य है। तो इसीलिए छोटी संख्या हो गया 2 और बड़ी संख्या 8। Hence the smallest digit is equal to, at last we write, hence the greatest digit, hence the smallest digit is equal to, hence the smallest digit is equal to 2. The greatest digit is equal to 8. It was to be proved. Find the write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank place. So I have solved example 5. Similarly, you can solve the example 6. Write digit in the blank space of each of the following so that a number is divisible by 11. So similarly, you can solve the examples of the exercise, and after that you can try how the exercise 3.3 will be solved, all rules have been written in previous classes, so remembering these rules you can try to solve the given questions. Thank you.